I'm back again with another hair and makeup transformation. Please keep on watching to see the full video of this Barbie inspired hair and makeup. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe while you're at it.
It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I gotta do it.
As you can see, I was excited about doing this whole look because Barbie is trending, so why not? So I braided her hair down, and you can see I'm using hair wax to lay her edges. Then after that, I'm going to place in the wig on her hair. This is the makeup artist wig, so I'm placing the wig on her hair just to make sure it has the perfect fitting for her head size, because once a wig is not full your size, it starts to lift after you try to lay it down. So I didn't want that to happen. That's why you see me, I'm literally struggling to make sure it fits her head perfectly. So we're going to slit the wig just a little bit backwards, then I'm going to apply my lace glue. Guys, I've been considering getting a clear lace glue, but I don't know, because using my expensive glue for collaboration shoots is just not it. So I think I'll get a clear glue so that it can just be easy for me to dry fast and easy for me to put on. So now the glue is dry clear. Like as you can see, all my videos I make sure the glue dries clear. You don't want to be putting your lace on a glue that hasn't dried, because it makes it tacky, and most of the time it does not dry clear after the wig has been on your head. So please make sure your glue dries clear before you put your wig. So as you can see now, I'm trying to make sure the lace is just a little bit above the glue. Just like you should not put the lace below the glue, you should always put the lace either directly on the glue or a little bit above it. This helps because you don't want, after doing your makeup, you are seeing glue residue on the front line, and that thing is hard to take off. So after that, I'm going to using my got to be spray and my hand. Just got to be spray, it's for this shoot, it works as a melting spray. So I just spray a little bit got to be, and I use my blow dryer and my comb to like press it down. Make sure you clean any glue residue or any got to be spray residue on a hairline, just so that once you tie the band and you remove it, it doesn't look tacky, and the makeup artist can actually do her job perfectly. So now I'm going for a side part. You can see from the intro how cute this hair looks like. So I really hope you have gone through the intro and you are still here to see how the outcome actually looks like in a process video. So I'm doing a side part. I'm doing a C cut side part. Then after that, I'm going to be using my hot comb. Yeah, I'm going to use my hot comb to make sure the hair is flat enough, because you don't want your pattern to be bumpy. Nobody wants that. Nobody wants to see that. So I'm going to be using my hot comb to like make sure everything is flat. Make sure the flyaway is not like disturbing my work. And after that, I'm going to be using my got to be spray. I'm not going to spray it in the upside where I want the high updo to show. Then I'm going to using my pin to hold it in place, just so that it can be high. Like, I don't know if you get it, but if you do, fine. Just so that I want it to be high. And after that, I'm going to be going with my hair wax to tame the flyaway hairs, and my got to be after that to make sure everything is flat. When the chair is high, I always go higher. No matter how high the makeup chair is, I always make sure I am a little bit higher, so I can actually see what I am doing and be fast about it, so it can actually look neat and flawless. So now I'm going to be doing a half up, half down, but I wanted it to be a little bit different and Barbie like. So I packed the up, then I went ahead to like roll and curl the hair so that it can actually lay on the bun. Guys, just continue watching the video and you'll see everything I'm talking about. 'Cause I don't really think there's any need for me to talk too much, because everything is in the video. The video is the talking. I don't know what that means, but yeah. Then I'm using this filler. I place it on the hair. I'm going to pin it down so that the curls can actually lay on the bun. They call it a bun. I call it a filler. Anyone you want to call it, but I always call it a bun. I'm trying to make sure the hair looks neat, because what is the essence of doing all this work when the hair does not look neat. I'm all about neatness and I'm all about accuracy. That's why you see me, I'm always on my best behavior and I'm just vibing to the song because we're playing a little bit of jam. So yeah, I went up again. Makeup artist is doing her work. Like if you are a hairstylist and a makeup artist and you cannot work with either a makeup artist or hairstylist, I mean, like what are you doing? Because there comes a time, especially in the bridal jobs, you need to make sure you're fast and you're working hand in hand with a makeup artist because you cannot wait for anybody to finish their makeup before you start your hair. It doesn't work that way. You can stop at interval, maybe when they're doing the brows or maybe the lipstick, but you always have to make sure you have an understanding with the makeup artist and you can always work with an extra movement on the face or whatever. So yeah, that's one thing I've learned in my profession as a hairstylist. You have to make sure you make things work whether you like it or not, because the client does not want to hear, oh, I cannot work with a makeup artist. Like it doesn't work that way. So you have to make sure you compromise and you have to have an understanding of, okay, this is what I'm supposed to do and I need to do it fast so that you won't have to delay and waste time. So yeah, I'm not going to leave you guys now until the last results. Like, oh my goodness, I would love the shoot so much. Like, I was in awe on how beautiful it all came out. Like the makeup was popping, the hair was giving, and that's what we're here for. We have to give you flawless beat all the way. Please follow the makeup artist though on Instagram at Alo by Jenny Ma. She's too good. Like she doesn't even get the accolade that she deserves because she's really good. Because makeup was giving, like it was giving skin. Yes, that's what we're going for. I mean, what is the end of doing a makeup when it's not giving you skin? So yeah, please follow on Instagram at Alo by Jenny Marsh. I'm going to put it in somewhere around here so you guys can actually see the full name. Yeah, so thank you for watching to this point. As you can see, the makeup is giving pink vibe, pink blush, red blush, whatever that color is. And oh my goodness, the eyeshadow is giving. I really like the brows too. I'm just doing like a 360 look on how the hair looks like after I finish the curl. Like I curl the hell out of this hair. And now I'm unraveling it. The call is making me jiggy. I'm jiggy jiggy. Heavy heavy. Baby, tell me what you. Guys, let me just calm down because I was so excited at this point. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed at this point. What are you doing? Support me by subscribing, guys.
If you're trying to just running to wear it,
I like what I'm saying.
thank you. Pick on them, don't forget to give me my lashes. Thank you. But these things are expensive, but
That's nice, expensive.
yeah, so this I even thought going to fair was going to be cheaper.
Buy from AliExpress now. You guys know it's AliExpress.
What I ordered like what I got, now it comes to lashes.
No, you check. You always check review. Me, I don't buy on AliExpress if I don't see review. It's only from Nigerians. I open it now. You will see one page.
You buy from how do you do your review? Your review?
You put any for stuff that is close to you, but now they don't use stuff. They use speed up. So maybe you put any speed up office that is close to your house location.
Yeah.
And speed up, you don't waste time. And you come, they are very sweet.
I've always wanted to buy things that I see.
Should I comb the hair? I was like, I should just leave it curly like this.
Let me see. Oh, I was thinking I was going to cover the brows though.
No, but the brown is looking very fun. Like,
You look like a Barbie. So fine. Oh my gosh.
you just
But
take
it's
some
not.
hairs left.
I don't know. It's not long enough to stay. So if you want to just.
No, I will pin it. I think I will pin it. like this, abi?
From the hair, the hair is very good here. Like the texture, sef. I bought this hair since 20. I sold hairs.
Oh.
Yeah, so this was like the one that was remaining, 3 bundles. I did not wig it until last year. Yeah, since 2018, I mean 2017. When I was in 200 level. Then I started selling hair, but they owe me.
No, I don't do. Not that I'm saying I don't give out hair until you make payment.
I don't see my money.
But for people have mine, I'm sure they are still using the hair up till now.
And the annoying thing is they are my friends. In fact, I fell off with two because of hair.
I'm
And
not even going on an outing. I just like, oh, it doesn't even make sense.
and they'll make you feel like is it not hair? I'm going to pay. They'll pay half. Some will pay half. Why you're not going to see the other half.
I swear, it's be your own people that will stress you.
I got it. My first try, I was like, no, this is not
No, that kind of thing is discouraging.
Let me just handle it because I cannot stress. I can't be running around. I can't be running around you for my money. And you're making me look like I don't know what I'm doing. Ah, babe, I'll give you now. I'm being nice person.
No, some people, like, I don't even,
I just stopped. It was stressing me.
I swear, the makeup is so fun.
Thank you.
You know the Barbie pink thing.
Yeah. Why is it the rain?
Yeah, let's change so that I can.
Change my dear. It's so fun. I hope it's not your time. I hope it's not time yet.
Then she went ahead to change into a pink top. Oh my goodness, like it's giving Barbie. I love it so much. Like it all just came together because Barbie is trending now. So why not just do a Barbie inspired hair and makeup? I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. You can also give me recommendation if you like more bride assistant vlog. I can do that. If you like more installation videos, I can definitely do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below what was your favorite thing about this look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.